The CPU, Central Processing Unit, or simply processor, is the main chip in a computer and is responsible for carrying out all tasks. It is responsible for telling all the other computer components what to do according to the instructions given by the input by the program software running on that computer. In fact, the CPU exists in many kinds of devices apart from computers. If something can run on programs, chances are it will have a CPU. For example, phones, TVs all have CPUs in them.
The function of the CPU are very important in what happens with the surrounding components. A CPU will sit on the motherboard. The CPU sends signals to control the other parts of the computer. Within the input process and output of the computer, the CPU is the process part that converts the input into a binary code, which then the computer can understand so it can show it on the screen for us. This is similar to how the brain controls the body, with the brain taking in the information and processing it so we can react to it. For example, if you get punched, the brain will receive the information and process it by sending a feeling of pain in the area you got punched.
One of the hardwares that defines a computer is the CPU. The CPU interacts closely with primary storage or main memory, referring to it for both instructions and data. Although the memory is not part of the CPU still helps the memory to run programs. CPU executes programs using the fetch, decode, execute cycle and serves a high-speed memory. For this reason, this part of the reading will discuss memory in the context of the central processing unit.
A typical CPU has a number of components. The first is an arithmetic logic unit, or ALU, which performs simple arithmetic and logical operations. Second is the control unit, or CU, which manages the various components of the computer. It reads and interprets instructions from memory and transforms them into a series of signals to activate other parts of the computer. The control unit calls upon the arithmetic logic unit to perform necessary calculations. Third is the cache, which serves as a high-speed memory where instructions can be copied to and retrieved.